Especially because it says no parking anytime. This is number 8. So we're going to break these guys that are doing this. They're not special. They're not sovereign citizens. They're a business. Eight 488-8697. Yep. Number 8.
What's up?
You guys know you can't be parking here. I'm going to yank yours AAA endorsement.
You never get tired?
No, because I haven't had time to deal with your dumbasses.
Well, that's not the police said it'll be okay.
No, the police didn't say shit because I didn't call them. Now he's going to be an asshole about it. Now you're going to be an unprofessional fucking douchebag, huh? Okay. You goddamn right. Every time I come over here and visit and you guys are here, I'm going to get your asses ticket yanked from AAA. Keep acting like an unprofessional douchebag.